Ndebe anyị alụ emenu nekwonu Pastọ Kristi atasa pastọ eze na-aghọrị ndị ọ na-achị pastọ ọkpa ito ya enweghị breki nekwonu pastọ n'ochi ya tagokwanụ n'ụlọ ụka ya ka o bido tụbakwara ndị chọọchị memba ya otu amụ. Hei, Doris ọnụ ikpu nọzikwa kịta wee na-ebe anya m o ndị mmadụ si na-ama n'ọka ọ ya adị na ndị ụka ahụ eje nga na ikpe aha ama ndị ụka na ndị pastọ ndị ọzọ ya ebupụta ego niile enyetalụ n'onyinye na nke akwụtara na taịtị n'ụlọ ụka wee jee binye ndị uwe ojii fee wee hapụ Pastọ Kristi atasa pastọ. Na ndị bụ obodo adịghị mma na Naịjirịa bụ ndị gọọmenti, ndị ọrụ nchekwaba na ndị ọkaikpe ndị ụka n'ọfọ a bụ n'obodo anyị adị mma na Naịjirịa. Hei, ama m na ọka nya bụ ife ya adị ebe ọ bụ na ndị uwe ojii na ndị ụlọikpe na fa hapụrụ pastọ anụnwa dị isi ka siti baskoro asị na amụ ya dara amụ ibi o ji amụ ya wee wowasịchaa nwatakịrị erubeghị ife eji nwaanyị eme ọchụ nwatakịrị wee na-ehu ọbara ndị uwe ojii wee hapụ ya bụ pastọ Emos si na ụkwara nta na ahịa ya ka ọ na-aja gwuo ụkwara nta ka o wee chiyata n'ụlọ ikpe wee luo tata ekwutezi ya bụ ife ọzọ ọ bụrụzie atasa Pastọ Kristi ya ejezi nga ka o si dị unu ka ọ ya eje nga ebe a hapụrụ onye nke ahụ ọ na-abụ na ya hapụ onye nke a. Hei, alụ merụ atasa Pastọ Kristi ji ụtụ amụ atụ usi ndị chọọchị memba ya nọkwa wee na-asị na Doris ọnụ ikpu na ọ na-ebo ya na ogburu nwanne ya wee na-achọkwa ka ya bụ pastọ gburu nwanne ya n'obi ya. Hei, ọ na-abụ n'ife o ji wee kpewu Doris ọnụ ikpu n'aka ndị uwe ojii ka ọ gịnị? Akụkọ a nwekwa ọnụ ka ọ dị maka ndị ka ya ejebulu ọchụfa wee debere ndị pastọ fee wee na-ekwowatị na-abọwatị na-anyawatị na-atụrụ unu ụtụ amụ alawuefe unu lawuchaa unu tibelufa mkpu ọhụ tibelufa mkpu ọtụ tichaa echi niile unu apụta ebe a na-ebe anya m wee lụkwa na ife mere onye ọzọ wee malụkwa ife malụkwanụ na onye pastọ lagbuoro maọbụ onye ọ tụbara ime maọbụ omerụ nke a ma omerụ nke ọzọ na enwerọkwa jọstisi ihe enweta n'aka ndị ụlọikpe maọbụ n'aka ndị uwe ojii. Ọ kakwa ọlụrụ mma na iji kịta kechie ọhụụ kechie ọchụ gị maọbụ na ijedebere ụka nọrụbeghị wee n'aka. Hei, ndị pastọ alawutikwana na ụmụ nwaanyị anyị na nke ikpeazụ a ifefe bụkwa ọbụ onye alagbuoro etu obe ya ọkụ malụkwa na ndị pastọ unu bụkwa ọlatu ndị ọla n'iyi kwọkịrịkwọla waya na ife anọ n'ụlọ ụka alụkịta abụ iche na mmadụ bụ ewu agba nwoke agba nwaanyị agba nne agba nna agba ụmụazị agba ukwu gba ibe n'ụtụ amụ ka a na-atụzikwa n'ụlọ ụka na ọ bụ ọgwọchukwu gava na-efe onyekwanụ ka mba esikwanụ na o metara ya ka ọ na o metaghị ya ebe Chineke gbalụrụ ya ọ bịakwa ebe a na-eti ya aleluya ọzọ na n'elu ka tie na aleluya n'elu ka tienu ọ na-abụzi mụ ya ekperi ya ikpe ebe Chukwu ọ na-akpọ hapụrụ ya onye dị ka ịbụ ọ ka unu wee na-afụ ndị ụka.
You think you can buy my brother and shut me up? You think it's okay, right? You think you can use the judicial system to shut me up when you have something else to call? It's unfortunate the system we're in. When someone tries to speak out, many people are paid come to shut the person up. They told you that they have done damage control for you. They have changed the narrative of this matter. That is why you feel comfortable to open your gut to tell me that after accusing me of buying my brother, then I expect you to marry me. When it comes to breach of marriage contract, of course I'm going to sue you. Of course I'm going to court. You've admitted in your own statement that you breached the marriage because of my character, right? We'll find out whose character is good and whose character is bad. Nobody will shut me off from speaking and getting justice for my late brother. You think it's about you getting married? No, it has nothing to do with that. Nah, somebody like you, no woman would want to marry you after all I've found out about you. The devil is learning work where you are. You are evil. You are a block son of the moon. You are evil. Yes, this is a society where we have people who don't listen to confession of the truth, rather they turn around to judge you with it. That's why many people don't talk, many people don't speak out. You can throw money around, but I have my mouth to speak, and you can't shut the only thing God gave me to speak justice for myself and my brother. Nobody, no narrative will stop me from exposing you. Guys, listen to this demon that is climbing up to hold microphone. Look at this demon plotting to kill a woman through mafia police or streetway. A woman who had, as at the time you were plotting this, she was just having, your child was just 5 months. You guys should listen to him talk. Nobody will shut me up. Nobody. I'll just play part of it because I know I'm going to play the full voice note and the conversation. Let me see if he's here.
Okay. Then the girl.
No, she has not left that house now. The new person has taken over. So probably she thinks that they are advising her. So I have the voice notes, where they are recording, where they are making calls. So the person they sends to me. So we want to explore that, or I'll find another street way to deal with this. And now people from what I heard, and they must pay for 10 years rent or something. Yes, so for some months.
Now you have to come back. Why the girl or the Kwana fully?
I don't know whether they are saying 5 months or so. From that, they converted to that.
This thing has to be handled very, very discreetly. Very, very discreetly.
The black man now.
When are you coming back, sir?
On Thursday. Because since they have become deadly, I guess quite in a way, that it's either in the mafia police or in a people way. I was suspect.
But what about the girl, sir? Have you been able to calm the girl down?
Which girl?
This girl that is trying to blackmail you with a child.
I can't talk to her. Why will I talk to her? You talk to her, you are empowering her now.
What about the girl? But the child that brought your own.
So I will leave it here for now, so that you people will see the kind of dead man this man is. The kind of that you want to use mafia police to remove someone, or the street way to remove someone who gave birth to you. There are so many things in this voice note. I will play the voice note from beginning to end. This is why many people don't come out to talk. They have paid many people to change the narrative of this whole thing. They have paid many people to change their whole narrative. But I will not stop. This is just the tip of an iceberg. I will play your voice note. The world will hear who you are. The world will know you for who you are. Everything you have said to me, the world will hear it. And for the people saying, oh, you knew he was like this and you wanted to marry him, I didn't know. I only got to find out this part of him 2022. And that was when we started having problem. And it was that period I started keeping this record. When I realized that this is a blood-sucking demon. He wasn't like this. He wasn't free with me like this. Since when I knew him, since 2017, it was 2022 that this man showed me who he really is. And listen, you are the one who reported to Zone 2. Why are you not pushing the police case? Because they have ordered that your altar should be opened. Your altar will be opened. That I assure you. That I assure you. I will not stop until I see you exposed. You have all the money. People are contributing money for you every Sunday. Don't be deceived by the crowd you see. Most people, all of them, they are under hypnosis. Whatever that is in that altar is what is keeping that crowd. The more the maggot, the more the crowd. There is nothing, if you like, say anything from now till tomorrow. Those people, their eyes are not open. They are under hypnosis. They know what he is. They know who he is. They know what he does. But they can't leave because they are chained. But I will expose you. Even where you go to get power. Everything. I will expose you.